Greetings everyone, I am Shankarendra Neji from MLM Mamalam Matriculation High Secondary School in Kanjipur. I have come here to present to you our project, the EcoSync. It is an advanced trash collection and organization system. India is facing a leading problem in garbage collection because trash is filled everywhere, on roads, on sides of buildings, on empty lots, everywhere. This is because people are not collecting and maintaining and segregating trash properly. They are not aware about bio-composting. This idea aims to solve all of that because it enables people to get reward points for their activities, and also the government by giving it quality nitrogen filled compost. It can consist of two phases, the house phase and the communal phase. First, let's start up with the house phase. People are not aware about biocomposting. Here, I took a flower. It's already starting to decay. What do you think happens to it? After it's decayed, it just goes in the trash. After it goes in the trash, it goes to a landfill because other plastic are in the trash, and people are not segregating it. And when people do not segregate it, they just end up in landfills. But this contains a lot of nitrogen. When composted, can be very useful to plants. And we are relying on other countries to buy nitrogen from. That dependency is one we are hoping to avoid, because a major country which is giving us nitrogen supplies for farming, China, is refusing to sell it to us because of diplomatic issues. We can reduce dependencies on other countries by implementing this idea. Okay, let's get into it. The house phase. In the house phase, I am thinking of giving the clients, the homeowners, a trash bin of two compartments, one for biodegradable waste and one for non-biodegradable waste. On biodegradable waste compartment, I am using a load sensor. If one gets the load on top of it and assigns reward points to the user accordingly. It also uses a Wi-Fi microcontroller to relay the data and save it to a website. Not a locally hosted one, a publicly hosted one, where many people save their data. Now after these data are saved, after a year, on how much biodegradable waste they collected, points are given to them accordingly. This raises awareness and motivates people to do biocomposting on their own. And this is the simple idea. I was thinking of using an ESP32 cam, like the one right here, to just segregate the waste. But I thought that won't people do it themselves? Then I abandoned this idea. Now people would segregate waste on their own and just put it in there. We can also launch an awareness video on how to segregate these wastes, and we can also inform them how waste like mercury, cadmium containing products should be handled carefully. Now after these trash are collected and the logs are entered, after they are filled, the user dumps them in the garbage, where that begins our communal phase 2. I am thinking of installing large bins on communities, about 50 houses for a bin like that. We need to assign them proportionally, and each bin should be able to hold at least 2.5 months of biocompostable garbage. It is completely feasible because every parking lot has some empty space which is unused. We can use that for this. Now after we have done that, now we encourage them to dump the garbage here, and now we are using an ultrasonic sensor to detect the fill level of the garbage. After it is filled, it automatically informs the authorities. And other sensors we are using is this temperature and humidity sensor to detect the health of the compost. And we need to also kickstart the composting process. For that, we are using something called a Bosaki ball, which contains micronutrients and microorganisms for helping the decomposition reaction faster. And that's about it. After the authorities are contacted, they come and pick it up. But where does it go? Now after it is phase 3, we are still working on it. We are planning to build granaries like things. where compostable wastes are stored, and we can extract methane from it, or we can directly supply it to farmers at a low cost. It is filled with nitrogen, so it is going to be extremely valuable to farmers and plants. I have tried that a few years ago, and I still have some compost left behind. I only used about a month and a half of compost, and I still have it now. This proves that the idea is extremely feasible. I do have a working prototype, a semi-working prototype. I haven't completely done all of the website development, but I have proved that DST11 can be used, and ultrasonic sensors can be used, and load cells can be used. That will be shared in the photos. That's about it. It aligns with the SDG goal 15, life on land, because it helps the plants by giving them a fix of nitrogen, and helps in not polluting the land by providing it with natural compost instead of artificial compost. And it also does not make India dependent on other countries, and also makes it a Swadeshi movement, or make in India, like that. This project is extremely, I believe that this project is extremely valuable to our economy. Thank you, that's about it. EcoSync for a greener future. Thank you, bye.